Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using two of these wood hanging decor signs. Now I'm going to remove the string and I'm going to add some wood filler to one of them only. Now once I am done adding the wood filler, I'm going to set it to the side and let it dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to thread some of these wood beads into a thin string. Then I'm going to glue the beads around the wood circle that doesn't have the wood filler. I'm going to be gluing this using hot glue, and I'm also doing it dot by dot because I tried to do it the other way where I put the glue all around, but you can see like the glue on the little parts that the bead is rounded. So I decided to just go dot by dot. This time I didn't tie the string together. Instead, I just glue it like inside. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to add glue on each bead, dot by dot, then glue the other piece on top. And now you have this perfect candle holder, and you can paint it whatever color you want. I am painting mine using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I had to use a smaller brush to go inside the little crevices. To finish this off, what I did is I let it dry and then I just sent out the bead part and some of the round part. But that is it. Look how cute this turned out. Now you just add a candle to it. For my next project, I'm using two of these wood pieces, which on the label it says wood books. I also got these from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by removing the tag. Before I paint these, I am going to smooth out the edges of these pieces of wood. Then I'm going to paint them differently. One of them I'm going to paint it white and the other with the Waverly Antique Wax. Now the one with the white, I'm painting like the top part and the sides. I didn't paint like the other side. I just left it blank. For the next piece, I'm only painting the sides with the antique wax. It's not necessary to paint the top or the bottom, just the sides. And I'm going to start adding some of these fun transfer stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some leaves and some words. Now this one says loads of fun, but I'm only using loads of. And then I'm going to use memories from this sheet. And I'm going to add it to the side of the white piece. Now the leaves, I'm going to add it at the top part. And this is how it looks, and this is all I'm doing to this. You can honestly just decorate this however you like. If you haven't guessed it by now, I am making a decorative book little decor piece. I'm going to glue the books together, then I'm going to decorate it a little more by adding some twine. To finish it off, I will be adding a bow, and that is it. For my next project, I will be using some of these paint sticks. 10 come in a pack. I'm using all of them, which I am going to cut maybe like 1.5 inches off, or maybe a little bit less than 1.5 inches. Now from Dollar Tree, I will be using 2 pieces of wood. As you can see, they are bigger than all the paint sticks laying down. Now, if I had 2 packs of the paint sticks, I would have just simply used one more to make it 11 instead of cutting this piece of wood. But because I didn't have another one, I am going to cut these to size. So now that I have all of my pieces, I'm going to paint them, but I am going to paint these differently. I'm going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. Some of them I'm going to add black, and some I'm going to add less of the antique wax so they are different shades. I'm saving 3 of them, and those 3 last ones I am going to paint them white. Once everything's dry, I'm going to arrange them like, honestly, I was just doing like a dark light white, dark light white, like this. Now I'm going to add the other 2 pieces of wood, which I painted them using the Waverly Antique Wax on top. And this is what's going to keep these together. I am using hot glue. So you can decorate this different ways. You can add like a word sign to it. But what I ended up doing is adding a wreath with this gather wooden sign. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.